Today we are going to cook homemade potato gnocchi with Sicilian pesto. Let's get started. We will need 1 kilo of potatoes, 2 egg yolks with a pinch of salt, and 100 grams of flour 00 plus extra for dusting. Prepare a large pan of boiling salted water. Use even medium-sized potatoes and cook them for 25 to 35 minutes, depending on their size. Peel them when they are cool enough to handle. When they are cool, mash the potatoes in a potato ricer into a bowl. It is important that you pick the right potato for gnocchis as they are delicate to handle. I suggest a floury potato such as Maris Piper or King Edward. Season well with flake sea salt. Sprinkle over the shifted flour. Then scrunch and push the mixture together. Just be mindful that depending on the potatoes you might need to add more flour. I add the yolks, mix, and pass onto a large clean board for needling for a few minutes until peelable. Don't handle the mixture too much as the potato keeps on releasing water and your gnocchis will fall apart. Too much flour will also become chewy. Just use common sense. From this stage, I pass on to the rice flour, which helps absorb the extra moisture. I section into pieces and I roll them into sausages and then slice them up. There are many ways to form your gnocchis in this recipe. I make them round as they are very soft and delicate. Keep them separate and don't pile them up. Don't be shy to sprinkle the rice flour to keep your gnocchis in shape. For the Sicilian pesto we need 1 garlic clove, 50 grams of pine nuts, 50 grams of Parmigiano, 150 grams of good quality ricotta, a small bunch of fresh basil around 20 grams, 150 ml of extra virgin olive oil, and 3 to 4 tomatoes. I make an incision at the bottom of the tomatoes. This process I do it during I boil my potatoes. Then I boil them for 1 minute and let them cool down. It makes life so much easier to peel the tomatoes by following this tip. I take out the core, and you can also take out all the seeds if you're after a more delicate taste. I slide them into a mixer cylinder. Following the washed basil, garlic without its core, pine nuts, Parmigiano, pinch of salt, and oil. Mix a little. And then add the ricotta. Careful not to spill, like I did. Now we are ready to boil the gnocchi. In a pan with boiling water, add the salt, and in small portions at a time add the gnocchi, as it is quick for them to cook. After a couple of minutes, they will start to float up to the surface, and they will be ready. Remove them with a skimmer or slotted spoon. With every plate, toss a Sicilian pesto and a sprinkle of Parmigiano. And enjoy these tender, delicate gnocchi. Buon appetito!